Hi guys, Stencyl here, talking to you about Stencyl. In this one it's about how to make your level bigger, okay? So there's two ways. First way, you've already made your level, you think it's fantastic, you don't really want to lose what you've already made, and you just want to make it, that little bit longer, let's say. So you can just go to Properties, Width, and you can just change that. So we can just sort of double that if we wanted to, 40 tiles. Okay, and there we go. So now it's a longer level. Okay. Second way, if we go back to dashboard, creating a new scene, we can call it scene 2. Let's give it a better name than that. Let's call it a forest level. The second level will be a forest level. We want it twice as wide, so instead of 20, it's 40. And obviously, you can do 60, 80, however much. I'd probably try and keep it, go up by 20s, using multiples of 20. Great, there you go. Fantastic. The next thing I'll just show you the problem that occurs so that you can understand why we need a solution for it, I suppose. Get the tiles, make these go along. I'll just quickly show you test game, and you'll see what the problem is eventually when it runs. You'll see the problem, and then I'll show you how to fix it. I'm not just showing you the problem. Okay, here we go. So our level is obviously much longer than this, but Nonny obviously is now off the screen and we can't really see what's happening. So the thing that we want to add is actually something called a camera follow, so that the screen sort of follows wherever Nonny is running along, because if we can't see him, it's not great. So we go to Nonny, go to behaviors, we add a behavior down the bottom left there. Now I think it's, where is it? Game, camera follow, scroll speed. I'll just put it at 12 for now. You can always change it if you want it faster, slower, however you want it to look. Go back to that opening scene, and let's save Nonny. See the little asterisk there, we'll save that. And let's give that a test, just to make sure that it's looking the way we would like it to look. So we'll just awkwardly wait for another few seconds. There we go. So now hopefully when we get to the edge of the screen, there we go, the screen then follows as we keep running. Excellent. That's all I'll cover in this video. Short one. Next one will be pretty short too. That's fine. Thanks for watching.